everyone, this is Ashkan Zahabi, A to Z Tax and Financials. At the beginning of the year, usually employers request employees to update their W-4. By the W-4, you actually tell your employer and the payroll system how much of your income should be withheld for the federal tax purpose. In fact, at the end of the year, when you get the W-2 and you see box number 2, which is your federal tax withheld, that's the result of how you filled out your W-4. So if you want to fill out your W-4, you have to pay attention to some stuff. Actually, you just fill out your information, your name, last name, address, your marital status, if you are single or married filing separately, is this box, if married filing jointly or head of household. If you have more than one job, it's better to check mark this box. This box helps you to, the system catches how many jobs you have, and it calculates, more federal tax withheld from your income. On step 3, you have to input the number of the amount of dependent credit that you're gonna get. For children below 17 years old, for each child, you have to put $2,000. So if you have 2 kids, you can put $4,000. And for any dependent over 17 years old, you have to multiply the number of dependent by 500, because each dependent has $500 credit. So if you have 2 dependents, for example, if you claim your father and mother, then you put $1,000 here, and the total is going to be $5,000 here. For step 4, if you have any other income, such as rental income, side business, or any other income or capital gain, for example, you put that amount here. For example, if monthly rental income, the net is $1,000, you put $12,000 here. And for the deduction, if you deduct any expenses such as interest, property tax, then you most likely use itemized deduction instead of a standard deduction. So for itemized deduction, for married filing jointly, a standard deduction is $25,900. So for example, if your interest is $20,000 and your property tax is $10,000, you can put $30,000 here instead of $25,900, which is the standard deduction. And extra withholding, if you want to pay more on your paycheck to IRS to withhold more, you put that amount here. For example, if you are making $100,000 and you want to pay $500 more on each paycheck, it's better to put $500 here. It helps you to pay more taxes, so at the end of the year, you're not going to owe to IRS. At the end, you sign it and you date it, give it to the employer, and they're going to input it in the system. And after that, it's going to calculate less or more tax withholding. So based on that, the W-2 at the end of the year is going to be adjusted. Tax season, we'll be happy to help you. And if you have any questions, please let us know. Take care.